Sweet. I'll show you what I just pulled in my Don Ross football. I was pretty pumped. Joe Burrow, red and green optic preview. I'm loving it. I can't find any basket or football when I go to the store. All right, sounds good, Robbie. You taking the last 6? $105 auto. That's awesome. Was it Peyton Manning or Eli Manning? Get your payment, Robbie. Alright, so this I'll update. Oh, shoot. Sorry, my brother's Robbie spelled Robbie. I didn't mean to insult you there. Robby. Okay, everything's sold. We're going to wait till 9 o'clock and get going. I'm going to definitely have the football game on in the background. Yeah, I don't know if you were in the room, Robbie, but this is the one I pulled today. I actually just pulled it like 5 minutes ago. Sweet. I guess it's an optic preview from this box. Only football I could find in the store today. I like it.
Good?
Yep. I'm already live. I have not opened one of these mega boxes yet, but 2 autographs. And all the players on the checklist seem pretty good, so somebody's going to get a good autograph. Or a couple people are going to get good autographs. I mean, I'm going to take this down, put it off to the side. Get it out of there. this up there. All right, we're under 5 minutes, guys. 9 o'clock. Get these rolling. I don't know if you can see the odds. That's what I like about Tops. You actually have odds of what you can get. See if that'll focus good. So it says 2 autographs. Private issue is 1 in 15 packs. And there's going to be 20 packs in here. So we should get one of those. There's a bunch of stuff. Hall of Fame Gallery insert 1 of 10. Modern Artist 1 of 10. Gallery Heritage 1 in 5. Hopefully we pull a cut signature though. 1 in 76,000. Pull one of those tonight. Alright, 3 more minutes. Then we'll go live, guys. Start with the blasters and then get into the guaranteed autographs. I was able to get like 7 of these things, and I opened one, and I got an autograph out of it. Some old player. Or no, I don't remember who it was. It was last night late. I was bored. football game here.
Another grab on the back end of it. So there are two fouls on this play. It's the reason for the sidebar, whatever they're talking about. That's the reason they have the rule that once you get out of bounds,
Too bad about Dak Prescott. That man deserved a big contract. All right, guys, so I know in here there's going to be artist proofs. All rookies will be sleeved. All hits will be top-loaded. And hopefully we get some fire, some really good rookies out of this big blaster box thing. Yeah, so 7 packs in here. 1 bonus pack. That's the one that's going to have the artist proof parallels, which are, I think, exclusive just to the blaster box here. See if we can hit something crazy. All right, well, everybody's ready. I will post this on my YouTube page with hopefully tonight. I'm breaking a lot earlier right now than I did on my first 10 breaks or so, so maybe I can make sure I want to make sure I get everything packed up and shipping labels and mailed so it's ready to go out first thing in the morning for everybody. So good luck. Hopefully we pull some really good stuff tonight. I don't know really too much about the hits we can get, but I do know that we can get, like, original art. It's cool. There's some cool stuff we can get in here. So there we go. That's empty. We'll do the exclusive parallels last, and we've got 7 packs plus the bonus pack. Good luck, everybody. All right, so our first card, Jose Barrios for the Minnesota Twins. Dustin May, nice hit there for the Dodgers. Modern Artists, that's a hit. I think it said 1 in 11, but that's Gavin Lux. Great start for the Dodgers here. It's not numbered or anything. Ooh, nice hit for the Cubs. A Nico Horner. Nice hit. And again, if you're just joining, all rookie cards will be sleeved, and all hits will be top-loaded. I secure everything really nicely, so it comes to you safe and secure. Lance McCullers Jr. for Houston. All right, we're going to have a rainbow, I think it's called a rainbow parallel is going to be in this pack. Lance McCullers Jr., our back card, Shun Yamaguchi, and the Jesus Luzardo. That's a nice rookie there for the A's. And our foil here is for Toronto. Rookie, nice hit. TJ Zuch. I was thinking maybe it'd be somebody else, or a couple different guys, but good nonetheless. Nice hit there. All right. For the Pirates, we got Colin Moran and rookie Zach Gallen for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Nice one. Back card Xander Bogaerts. And this one, another one for the Dodgers here. Master and Apprentice. That's going to be Gavin Lux and Cody Ballinger. Nice hit. Dodgers in the first couple packs. Getting a lot of good stuff. All right, so see Nick Solak on the back. Good hit for the Texas Rangers. Junior Fernandez, rookie there for St. Louis. Rafael Devers for the Boston Red Sox. The back card is Nick Solak, like we said. And the insert is Mookie Betts for the Dodgers. Now this one is the Topps Gallery Heritage insert. I don't know exactly what the odds are on it. Heritage inserts 1 in 7, so about 1 in every blaster box that you get. All right, next pack. Corey Kluber for the Texas Rangers. Nice hit. Trevor Bauer for Cincinnati. We got another rainbow parallel coming. Patrick Sandoval, rookie for the Angels. And our parallel is... who is this? Wilson Contreras, Chicago Cubs. Nice hit there for the Cubs. If anybody sees anything extra special that's numbered that I wouldn't know, or that you just notice, more eyes are better than just mine. Let me know and I can go back and we'll look at it again. All right, Christian Walker for the Diamondbacks. Nice card there. Sam Hilliard for the Colorado Rockies. Great rookie there for the Rockies. Nice hit. Mauricio Dubon for the Giants. Rookie card. Nice card there. And Lane Thomas for the Cardinals. All right, last regular pack of the first blaster here. And then we'll get on to the next blaster and we'll get into the nice one with the autographs after that. I'm excited for that. Max Muncy for the Dodgers. This is like the Dodgers break so far. At least the blaster box. Jacob deGrom for the New York Mets. Ricky Henderson, Masters. All right. I haven't seen one of those before. And a Shane Bieber. So the Ricky Henderson Masters, I don't know if that's extra rare or not, but good hit for the A's. Let's see if I can see it in here. Not seeing. I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, so now this one's going to be the 4 exclusive artist-proof parallels inside. Good luck, everybody. I don't know. They're not numbered. I don't know what they're limited to. But they have the artist-proof mark on there. So Aaron Judge, nice hit for the first one. Nice hit, Yankees. Second card. Byron Buxton for the Twins. Artist-proof. And these ones will be sleeved for everybody, too. Ozzie Albies for the Atlanta Braves. Nice hit, Braves. And Ryan Yarbrough for the Tampa Bay Rays. Too bad they lost. I mean, I had no skin in the game. I'm a Cubs fan, but I don't know. You root for the underdog. But Dodgers had so much talent this year. It was amazing. All right, so let's get into this one. Maybe we get a Pete Alonso autograph. That'd be cool. All right. Here we go, guys. Blaster box number 2. Do that one last. And good luck, everybody. Box number 2. All right. There's something colored in here. It's blue in color, so let me... Blue seems to be... It goes regular, then green, then blue. So it's pretty rare. Travis Dimitri is the first one. Rookie for the Detroit Tigers. Nick Birdie for the Pirates. Ozzie Albies, we saw in the back. And Gavin Lux with the blue border. I think that blue border means something. I think. It might just be a regular Heritage special thing, but when I look at the Mookie Betts, is white and that's blue. I think it's special. But it's not numbered or anything, I don't think. Oh, no, it is. Okay, it's numbered 5 of 99. So nice hit, Dodgers. This is the Dodgers break right now. Get that one sealed up and only 99 of these produced. I didn't see that number. I almost missed it. All right, nice hit. Put that right there. And let's keep going. Let's get to some more good hits. So the blue Heritage is 1 in 414 packs. So nice hit out of that. All right, next pack, we've got James Karinchak for the Indians. We go for the Indians. We've got Framber Valdez for Houston. Ryan Yarbrough again for Tampa Bay. And our hit here is a Hall of Fame, Willie Mays. Willie Mays for the Giants. Nice hit, Giants. Nice card there. Let's keep going. So we got that Gavin Lux numbered to 99. It's our first big hit there. All right, nice hit here for the Cubs. Robel Garcia, rookie. Juan Soto for the Nationals. We got another one of the rainbow parallels. J.D. Martinez for Boston. Nice card there. And our parallel is Justin Upton for the Angels. It's a nice hit there for the Angels. Almost looks like he's playing basketball or something. Right? I don't know. There's that. All right, 4 more regular packs, and then we've got the 4 artist-proof parallels coming up. First card, nice hit for the Braves, Ronald Acuna Jr. Nice hit, Braves. Blake Snell. He was doing amazing in the World Series, and they pulled him. It was crazy. But he did a great job. Nice. Nice Vladdy here for Toronto. Make sure we seal that one nicely. And our parallel here, Master and Apprentice. It's probably going to be Tatis. Fernando Tatis and Tony Gwynn. Nice hit there for the Padres. All right. Matt Thaiss for the Angels. Nice rookie hit there. We got a Paul Goldschmidt for the St. Louis Cardinals. And a Gleyber Torres. This is the Gallery Heritage insert, just the base version. Unlike that blue Gavin Lux we got back there. That sharp one. And then Jonathan Villar. I think that's the Miami Marlins there. All right, nice hits. Get the Gleyber parallel sealed up here. All right, 2 more packs of the blasters before we have the parallels. Nice hit for the Cubs, Chris Bryant. Hyun-Jin Ryu for the Toronto Blue Jays. You got a Luis Severino for the Yankees. And our rainbow parallel here, Marcus Stroman for the Mets. Nice hit, Mets. Man, I just saw double vision. Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs. Nice hit, Cubs. Anthony Kay. Nice hit there for the Blue Jays. Great pitcher. And Ramon Laureano. Apprentices. So that's a special one, too, for the A's. And then another Marcus Stroman, just not the rainbow parallel. Ramon Laureano. Apprentices. What Apprentices says it is. Apprentices are 1 and 7. So there you go. Angels, the box was empty. Here's this last one. Before we get into the box we're all here for. All right, artist proof, Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. We got Corey Kluber, artist proof for the Rangers. Trevor Bauer for the Reds. And Jordan Montgomery, artist proof for the Yankees. All right. Nice cards there. Now we're going to move on to our 2020 100-card box of Topps Gallery. 2 autographs per box. May contain redemption cards with expiration dates. But these weren't cheap. I'll give it that. Ooh. It's a box topper, too. This is going to be great to send out. Look for original oil paintings. Wild. A lot of packs we're going to be opening here, guys. Okay, so here we go. There should be 20 packs, plus that top box loader. There we go. All right, now keep this close by in case I have questions about the hits, but let's get going. Let's do the top loader first. I think I know who this is already. Okay, and our box loader is Cody Ballinger for the Dodgers. Definitely a Dodgers night. This card is huge. It's crazy. All right. Nice hit there. I'll keep it inside this when I send it to you. Dodgers with your Gavin Lux numbered to 99 and all your other nice Dodgers stuff. Oh, sweet. All right, now let's bust into these. I think there's 5 cards per pack, 20 packs, 100 cards. All right, first pack. Kyle Freeland for, I think, Colorado Rockies. Zach Little for the Minnesota Twins. Mike Clevinger for the Cleveland Indians. And modern artist, I believe, Pete Alonso for the New York Mets. Nice card there. And a Dario R. Agrizal for Detroit. And pack number 2. All right. Sin-Soo Choo for the Rangers. Nice card, Rangers. There we go. A Lou Bob. There we go, White Sox. Nice hit there. What's weird is that this is the top of the card and the gallery's upside down and his name's upside down. I would have thought, I don't know, but I don't know. But nice hit, White Sox. That's a beautiful card. That's set up back there. All right, Eric Thames. That's another rainbow there. We've got the Masters, George Brett, Kansas City Royals, and Andres Munoz for the San Diego Padres rookie. Nice card there. Nice card. Hey, Caroline, how you doing? Next pack, we got Gleyber Torres for the Yankees. Next card is Marcell Ozuna for the Braves. Trevor Richards for the Tampa Bay Rays. Ooh, and a green Lane Thomas for the Cardinals. So this one is 61 of 99. Nice hit for the Cardinals. Now the green, base green cards are 1 in 89 packs. It's nice. Surprised it wasn't the Dodgers again. All right, Lane Thomas numbered. And our last card in that pack is Buster Posey. I'm doing good, Carol Ann. All right, first card, Justin Upton for the Angels. And Pablo Lopez for the Miami Marlins. Back card is Shed Long for Seattle. And Jose Altuve for the Houston Astros. And our Aaron Judge for the Yankees. Nice. That's the Topps Gallery Heritage. Aaron Judge. Nice hit there for the Yankees. All right, our first card, Mitch Moreland for the Boston Red Sox. Rhys Hoskins for the Phillies. Blake Snell, silver or rainbow hollow here for Tampa Bay. Again, they pulled him too early. Nice. A master and apprentice. That looks like Roberto Alomar with Bo Bichette. It is Roberto Alomar, Bo Bichette, and a Shohei Ohtani. Nice hit there for Toronto. Nice card. Let's stay on this side. We'll go one side to the other side. See how it all works out. All right, next pack. Sean Murphy, rookie for the Oakland A's. We've got Jose Barrios for the Minnesota Twins. Dustin May, nice rookie card for the Dodgers. Kyle Lewis, nice one for Seattle. And Randy Johnson, the unit for the Diamondbacks, Hall of Fame card. Nice one there. Nice. We're getting all the, seems like we're getting all the rookies that we need. It is weird that this is right side up, has his name upside down, but that's how they want to do it. Right there. That Kyle Lewis is pretty cool. All right, we're going to cover up the Lane Thomas here. It's nice, but rookies are kind of more important right now. All right, 4 more packs on this side. Lance McCullers Jr. for Houston. We got Jesus Luzardo for the Oakland A's. The A's have pretty much covered their rookies tonight. Nice card. Colin Moran for the Pirates. Stan Musial, Masters for St. Louis. And a Walker Buehler. Nice Walker Buehler there for the Dodgers. Zach Gallen, another Zach Gallen, D-backs rookie. Junior Fernandez for the St. Louis Cardinals. Ronald Acuna for the Braves. This one's another rainbow. I get that sleeved up. And we got a autograph, I think. This one is a Lewis Thorpe for the Minnesota Twins. And our autograph is for the Baltimore Orioles, DJ Stewart. Nice hit, Orioles. So, yeah. DJ Stewart. Not numbered or anything, but an autograph at that. All right. Cover you up a little bit, Dustin May. Sorry about that. Keep that out here. All right, let's continue on, guys. Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. Corey Kluber for the Texas Rangers. Trevor Bauer for the Reds. Gary Sanchez for the Yankees. And Nolan Arenado with the Gallery Heritage. All right. Christian Walker here for the D-backs. We got another Sam Hilliard here for the Rockies. Rockies have had a good night tonight. Mauricio Dubon. Another one of those for San Francisco. A Eloy Jimenez rainbow parallel. I don't like the Sox, but I do like that card. That's a nice card. I'll get that sleeved right up. Sheldon Neuse for the A's. And a Master and Apprentice, Ortiz and Rafael Devers. Nice hit there for Boston. Let's see, that's a good, nice card. All right, last one, or last 10 packs here. Hopefully we get a super rookie autograph in this one. Now we got something weird on the back. We'll see what it is. All right, so we got Matt Olson for the Oakland A's. We've got Daniel Mengden for the Oakland A's again. Mike King, Gallery Private Issue for the Yankees. Now, I don't know exactly what that means. Gallery. I don't know if I see it. Oh, it's 1 in 15, so there should be one more of these coming. That's nice. And then we've got Modern Artists, and that's going to be Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals, Matt Kemp, and Featured Artists, Nas Adams, Dan Berggren, Carlos Caballero, and Angel Avaliz. What the what? Oh, so these are the artists that made the cards, I think. Oh, shoot. Sorry about that. I'll fix this. So whatever with that, I can just randomly send that to somebody. Yeah, that's the featured artist thing. Somebody will get lucky with that. All right, let's keep going. Everything's set up here. Okay. All right, nice. Tatis Jr., nice card there for San Diego. Kyle Tucker for the Astros. You got Jake Rogers for Detroit. Javi Baez, Artisans, it says on there, for the Cubs. And another Aaron Judge. Nice Aaron Judge. Now the Artisans, it's not numbered or anything. And I don't see exactly what it could be. If anybody knows if it's extra special, let me know. All right, let's have a good run here at the end, guys. Josh Van Meter for the Reds. We've got a Shogo Akiyama for the Reds. And Matthew Boyd for the Tigers. A Hunter Harvey rookie rainbow parallel here. It's a nice card for the Orioles. And a Byron Buxton again. We did get our Kyle Lewis, Gavin Lux, Dustin May, Bo Bichette. Zach Collins here, I think that was for the Chicago White Sox. Rookie there for the White Sox. Brian Abreu for Houston. Nice. Adbert Alzolay for the Cubs. Like him. A Walker Buehler for the Dodgers. That's a Gallery Heritage. And an Ozzie Albies again. All right. Max Scherzer for the Nationals. Ketel Marte for the Diamondbacks. Kwang Hyun Kim for St. Louis, rookie card. Ooh, here's a nice one. Master and Apprentice for the Chicago White Sox. Frank Thomas, Louis Robert. Nice. And then a Ryan Yarbrough, Tampa Bay. That's a nice one there for the White Sox. Nice hit. Master and Apprentice is, what does it say for? Oh, 1 in every 5. So I guess it's not that rare, but still, at that. It's Lou Bob rookie. Can't beat that. All right, next pack. Nice. We got a Mike Trout there. Nice hit for the Angels. Get that sleeved up. Get it sealed for you. Derek Rodriguez for the Giants. Our parallel here, rainbow parallel, is Paul Goldschmidt. Frank, the Big Hurt Thomas for the White Sox. And J.D. Martinez for Boston. All right, guys, 4 more packs left. Good luck. We still haven't hit the last autograph. Which they don't guarantee it, but it's usually always there. Wilson Contreras for the Cubs. Nice night for the Cubs. T.J. Zuch for the Toronto Blue Jays rookie. Jack Flaherty again for the Cardinals. Ryan Sandberg Hall of Fame for the Cubs. Nice card. And a Vladdy Guerrero Jr. His dad didn't even wear batting gloves. All right, I feel like this might be the autograph. So we're going to do that one last. All right, Abraham Toro, rookie for Houston. Nice card. Jeff McNeil for the Mets. Matt Thaiss. It's another rainbow parallel. Rookie for the Angels. Oh, rookie. The autograph's right here. Luis Severino. And our second autograph in the box is going to go to... Oh, that's just going to tell me who it is. Drafted by the Astros. Abraham Toro is our last autograph. Hey, at least it looks like he put a little more work into it this time. I've seen some of his autographs that are nothing. It's a nice one. Nice hit for the Houston Astros there. So 2 more packs. Hopefully we get another numbered card or something along those lines. 2 more. All right. For the A's, rookie A.J. Puck. Nice card there. A Mike Yastrzemski for the Giants. Nice one. I like Yastrzemski. My dad's favorite player was Carl Yastrzemski. So, Bryce Harper here for the Phillies. Nice card. Master and Apprentice. Cody Ballinger and Gavin Lux again. And a Marcus Stroman for the Mets. Or not again. We had the one for Toronto with the Bichette. There you go. Nice hit there for the Dodgers. Dodgers definitely, I think, were the big winners. But I think most of the big teams got cards that were good for... I mean, it's a nice cheap break. It's not too much money on everybody's end here. All right, last pack here. Mike Moustakas for the Cincinnati Reds. Charlie Blackmon for the Rockies. A Steven Gonsalves for the Mets. A Vladdy Guerrero Jr., Gallery Heritage. Nice card there for Toronto. And a Jonathan Villar. So I'll do, really quick, I'll do just a breakdown of all the hits here before we sign off. Here. All right. So just a real quick one here. We got the Cody Ballinger, Gavin Lux, Master and Apprentice. Dustin May, rookie. Which we got a bunch more rookies. They'll all be sleeved up for everybody, and everything will be sealed up good. Aaron Judge for the Yankees. Nice one there. Nice insert. This Kyle Lewis, I think that's really cool. It's a nice rookie card for him. Bo Bichette and Roberto Alomar. Master and Apprentice for the Blue Jays. Now this one is a green Topps Gallery Lane Thomas, numbered 61 of 99. Autograph, or no, not autographed, but 61 of 99 for the Cardinals. Nice hit. Here's our Lou Bob with Frank Thomas, Master and Apprentice. We'll get that in a case for you. Luis Robert, rookie. That's sitting straight up, just so you know. The Gavin Lux blue border Gallery Heritage, numbered 5. Number 5 of 99. I don't think his number is 5, so it's not that good, but it's a nice low number. And our autographs were Abraham Toro, rookie for Houston. Nice hit, Houston. Nice night. And last one, DJ Stewart for the Baltimore Orioles. So there we go, guys. Congrats to everybody. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys have a good night.